Hi! In this tutorial I'll show you how to make roll and unroll map animation in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube. Go to Add menu, Add Plane. Change the scale X to 2. Rotate the view axis as shown. Go to Add menu. Add empty cube. Click S button and decrease the size of the cube. Rotate the cube in X direction 90 degree. At frame 1. Change the location of the cube in X direction to 2, then apply the frame animation. At frame 100. Change the location of the cube in X direction to -2. Then apply the frame animation. Select the plane and change the mode to Edit mode. Click mouse right button and select Subdivide. Change the number of cuts to 100. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Modifiers Properties and from Add Modifier menu select Simple Deform. Select Bend. And from the origin select Empty. And change the axis to Z. At frame 1, change the angle to 0. And apply the frame animation. Change the limits to 1. And apply the frame animation. At frame 100. Change the angle to 1500 degree. Then apply the frame animation. And make the limits equal to 0. Then apply the frame animation. Play the animation and see if it's working. To make the unroll animation at frame 200. Change the limits to 1 and the angle to 0. Then apply the frame animation to both of them. Select the empty cube and change its X location to 2. Then apply frame animation. Play the animation again to check if it's working. Select the plane and click the right button of the mouse, then select Shade Smooth. To add double-sided material to the map. By selecting the map, go to Material Properties, then add New Material. Then add the first material color. Go to Shading Workspace. Click F3 button and search for Image Texture. Click Open and add an image as a texture. Connect color to base color. Now the first texture is added. Make a copy of the principal BSDF and the image texture by selecting them and click the Shift and D buttons together. Delete the new image texture. To add the two textures together, we need to add Mix Shader. Click F3 button and search for Mix Shader. Connect the BSDF of each one to the two shaders. Connect the mix shader output to the surface of the output. Change the FAC value to 1 to separate the two textures we need to add geometry. Click F3 button and search for geometry. Connect the back facing to FAC. The two texture is successfully added to the plane. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.